What's up, guys? This is Dominic with MEYERS RV in Madison, Ohio, bringing you this Grand Design Imagine 2670 MK. Let's take a look at her. Let's take a look inside. You go up the stairs and you got the bathroom. That's the first thing you're going to notice. You got plenty of storage. Goes back extremely far, all the way to the wall. Got the shower here. Sliding blind. And that lines up. Usually does pretty well. Got the porcelain toilet. Storage, towel rack, and your hot water gauge. Nice size mirror with storage behind it as well. Decent counter space to fit your toothbrush, toothpaste, deodorant, all that kind of good stuff. Plenty of cabinets down here as well. No storage in there, that's unfortunate. I know you got all the gears and all that stuff going on down there, but it's nice. It does have this hard door though to slide, give you some privacy. Up front we got the bedroom, plenty of storage all the way around. Got the true queen size bed. You got your CPAP areas, fit all your stuff. You got the outlet, you got the USB and the USB-C. You got your thermostat over here, light switch. More closet space. Beautiful closet space in here. You got the easy close doors. Grand Design again does not do the ducts on the floor. Another outlet right there. And you do have a spot for a TV if you'd like a TV. Now they do have these blackout style shades as well. Very easy, very nice. Fire extinguisher. All right, time to get into the beauty of this travel trailer. You got the opposing slides, which gives you plenty of living space. You got your recliners, your dinette. You even got a desk over in the back. Small island, so it's not taking up the entire living space, which is great. Plenty of counter space as well for when you're cooking. TV does go down into the counter. Got your furnace. Plenty of storage. And then up top, you're gonna have that new LED lights that they are doing, which I don't know about you guys. If you like them, I think they look very nice, but if you look at them, they kind of flicker very fast. If you really look, you'll notice that. AC, your recliners. Pull this down, you got your cup holders and your USB ports. Oh, I apologize, USB-C ports. Got USB, USB-C over here as well. Coming over to the dinette. Nice, great size. You can move the table as well if you wanted to put it somewhere else, maybe in front of the recliner, so when you're watching the TV, you can eat and watch TV at the same time. Who doesn't do that? Come on. Does anybody ever sit in the tables anymore? Plenty of storage under there. Here's that desk space, which is kind of nice, especially if you work from home and you plan on traveling. It'd actually be pretty sweet. You got your USBs. These are actually USBs, not USB-Cs over here. Kind of hard to see. You got an outlet up here, a light, and another outlet up there as well. And then for that privacy, again, you got that blackout shade. Got plenty of cabinet space up top here. Beautiful, beautiful. Easy close. Oh, I don't know if that would be considered that's really not a bummer. They do slightly scrape if you leave the one open, but easy close. Nice storage space for in the kitchen. And your typical Furrion 12-volt fridge as well. Pretty standard in a lot of campers nowadays. Plenty of space. Got the smaller microwave. Nothing fancy. You do have the vents, so if you're cooking something in here and it gets smoky, you can vent it out. 3-burner stovetop, oven, and then the real big thing is this island right here. Nice size sink. Got this thing that rolls up, and then it's like this almost like black charcoalish colored style now, which looks really nice. What do you guys think about that? Soap dispenser, and then this does come down. You can spray off the husband. Decent amount of counter space over here as well. If you're doing the dishes, you got some room to put them. More drawers and space. Let's see. Can we locate the garbage can spot? Look at that, beautiful. Nice size for a garbage can. Big drawer, look at that. Definitely fit all your utensils. More drawers and storage here. You have your JBL sound system, which you can play inside or outside. You can choose what you'd rather do. There's the button to bring the TV up and down. Satisfying. Furnace. Again, your TV goes down into the cabinet, or the counter, not cabinet. Nice quality premium wood cabinetry over by the microwave as well. These ones scrape. Oh, just barely clears it. Wow, that was close. But again, easy close. Nice quality. All right, now taking a look on the outside, we got the manual stabilizing jacks. Pretty nice size pass through, that is huge. Got your hookups here. Now this does have the slam shut, so you can just slam it shut. It does have the magnets up here, which is nice. Those are always great to have. Nice big awning. The slide is not giant, so it doesn't take up a whole lot of your camping space, which is always nice. Got the nice steps on the outside. And then Grand Design does do their slim rack system. Another thing that they do have is the red drums, which means it's got ABS, which is nice. And it also has the balancing beads as well, which again just helps with, you know, anything that can help reduce the risk of a blowout is always great. Got the beautiful outside kitchen, wonderful griddle, beautiful. That is beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Got your outlet, got your fridge, put your beers in there. Again, magnet, nice, always easy to work with. Coming around to the back, got your spray port back here. You do have a ladder, which is nice. They still give you a ladder. Backup camera prep. You do have a hitch rated for 300 pounds. Wouldn't recommend pulling with it, but. And then back here on their bigger slide, they do have the rack and pinion slide over here. Got your tankless water heater back here. Coming around to the side. You got your gray tank over here. Fresh water right there. And you could store your stinky slinky in that tube right there. Got your 50 amp plug back here. And then the other side of this, battery connect, solar disconnect. Does have 200 watts of solar. Shower, 30 amp controller. Is prepped for TPMS, so you can monitor your tire pressure while you're moving. Motion sensored lights, LED lights right down there. This has been Dominic with MEYERS RV in Madison, Ohio, bringing you the Grand Design Imagine 2670 MK. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me in the comments below. See you guys in the next one.